Morning work, week 7. Can you believe it? We are already on week 7 of this third grade school year. Think back to all the things that we have learned and all the things that we still have to learn. All right, for our daily geography here, we are looking at a map key and the state of Illinois. So let's take a look at our question here. What is the name of the capital city? How are we supposed to know the capital city? We look at the map key. So the capital city is going to have a star. So, right there it is. Springfield. That is the capital city. And then, what is the name of the large city shown on the map? Name of the large city. Well, the large city is going to be indicated by this gray square or gray shaded area, and that is going to be Chicago. All right, there's that done. Let's head to our daily word problems. Bracelet making is the theme for this week. Jasmine is making bead bracelets for her 3 friends. Jasmine needs 18 beads to make one bracelet. She has 46 beads. Does she have enough beads to make all 3 bracelets? And then we need to explain why she doesn't have, or why she does have enough. All right? And 3 friends is important. So for one friend, she's going to need 18. For another friend, she's going to need 18. And for the third friend, she's going to need 18. So we can add those up. And when we do, we get, let's see, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24. And then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the other thing that I can do, and just show you an example of something that we'll be touching on probably later in the year, is I have the number 18 and it repeats 3 times. So I can multiply that. 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 more, 54. So both those are right. I got the same answer, so I'm either right on both of them or wrong on both of them, but they are the same. And then it says she has 46 beads. Does she have enough? Well, if I subtract 46, I already know I'm going to be short. I'm not going to have enough. All right, I need 8 more. So that's what I'm going to put down here in the answer. All right. Jasmine does not have enough. Enough what? Enough beads to make 3 bracelets. That's all good and fine, but how about a little bit more information? She needs 8 more. And that is a great way to explain why she does or does not have enough. All right, on to daily practice for math and for language arts. 38 minus 9. I'm going to go ahead and bring that under here. And can I get 9 out of 8? No. So I need to borrow. Borrow 1, add 1. And then I can get 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. And then I have a 2 right here. So 29. Let's add these up. 37. Mark the scale that is used to weigh a person. So each of these three things weigh something. Each of these three things weigh something in a different way, but only the scales right here are the best way to weigh a person. Count by 5, so 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. If Joe Ellen has 14 socks, how many pairs does she have? Well, we got to know what a pair is. And a pair is a set of 2. All right? So if she has 14 socks, all right, we would want to know, well, what's half of that? And we can do this a few different ways. If you are familiar with or comfortable with multiplication and division, you could say 14 divided by 2, that equals 7. Or you could look at this 14 right here and say, I need to divide it into 2 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then I can see that there are 7 in each one. When I add up those 7s, I get 14. Multiplication and addition seem to go hand in hand. A lot of things that are good for one work for the other. All right, use context clues to determine the meaning of this bold-faced word. Don't forget to put quotation marks around dialogue. Dialogue. And that is people talking or spoken words. His brother bothered him all afternoon and made him irate. That is very mad. Let's see then. Number 3, correct the sentences. The plane is gonna be, gonna be late. It won't, there's so much going on with this sentence. First of all, let's get this one. The plane is going to be. Going to, not gonna, but going to be late. Period. And then capitalize the next word. This is a run-on sentence. All right, the plane going to be late. Erase that right there so we don't have that coming together. Then capitalize the I. It won't. We need an apostrophe right there. Arrive until 1206. Nope, that's not right. We need a colon between there. 1206, period. That one might be the record for having the most things wrong with it. Jose ain't got no pencils sharpened. Oh my goodness. Jose ain't got no. Well, we could probably say Jose doesn't have any pencils sharpened, period. Might as well write out the whole thing. And then finally, which words have 3 syllables? Well, we've got playground. That only has 2. Enormous. That's 3. Predicate. That has 3. Recycle. That has 3. All right. Minute. Math and grammar. Minute 21. 3 times 3. That is 9. Write these in order from least to greatest. We have 24, then 42, then 242, then 420. All right, let's do some subtraction here. Can I take 3 from 4? Yes, I can, so I do not need to borrow. And I put 21. There are 4 angles and 4 sides on a rectangle. Time for some adding. That's going to give us 63. Circle the abbreviation for inch. IN, right there. Okay, 6 divided by 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars divided by 3 in each group. How many groups are there? That would be 2. Haley bought 14 caramels and 12 mints. How many pieces did she buy in all? And in all is a code word for add. And that is going to be 26. In questions 9 and 10, is this a line of symmetry? Remember, a line of symmetry divides something evenly on both sides. This, no. This one right here, yes. And we could, both these shapes actually have different lines of symmetry that we could put in here. One for this shape would be coming all the way across like this. That's one. We could put one here. We can have one coming across right there. And anytime you have an oval or a circle, there are multiple lines of symmetry there. Okay. Grammar 21. Write each noun from the box in its correct category. So we have common nouns, proper nouns. Let's get to common nouns here. We have soda and quarter and microwave pineapple. And guitar. Now, what'd you notice there about all those common nouns? They do not start with a capital letter. But proper nouns over here, we have Aunt Becky, we have Pluto, Boggs Elementary, Springfield. Hey, that one sounds familiar. And North Dakota. All right, there you have it. Week 7 for Monday is done.